have to do with Ethereum are gonna go up. And so I'm on like Cardano, I'm on Hedera Hashgraph. Oh yeah, that's crazy. So I should just reply that. Purposely doing no car hit. What a bitch. Like, what?
Oh, his tire's flat. That's what you get, you dumbass.
That's some fucking karma right there.
His fucking left tire's flat.
Oh my god.
We haven't reckoned on that. The other massive mistake which we made, conceptual error we made, was that we had assumed, because it was true of almost every referendum there's ever been anywhere, was that people who went all the way through the referendum were still basically undecided, if they voted, would end up on balance
for the status quo,
yes. Because it's the less risky option. That's happened almost everywhere, and that didn't happen either.
Because it didn't feel like the status quo, oddly, did it? It felt. I mean, that was one of the great victories of the snake oil salesman, is that it felt like a kind of a temporary aberration by the time they finished their administrations, rather than actually the best available system.
Yes, and I think the failure of the Remain campaign was that we didn't give people with sufficient clarity the reason to believe that it was too risky to do, and therefore we enabled it.
아 그렇게 상황
왜 그러지?
왜 이래 아 왜 이래요 왜 이래 아이고 어떡해 아이고 어떡해
아니 시도 꺼봐 시도 뭐지 그래
왜 이래요? 안 밟아줘요?
그래 안돼
아이 주야 아버지 살려주셔서
오토
아버지 안돼 수동 아이고 안돼 아 왜 이래 아이고 아버지 살려주세요